Bigo pa rin po ang Kamara na aksyonan ng kontrobersyal na Freedom of Information Bill. Ang nakataktang botohan ng House Committee on Public Information kanina ay hinarang ni Nueva Ecija Congressman Rodolfo Antonino. Nakatutok si Sherry Torres.
Makikita kung gaano kakontrobersyal ang Freedom of Information o FOI bill sa ingay ng balitaktakan kanina sa House Committee on Public Information. Pagbobotohan na sana ng komite ang panukalang naglalayong bigyan ng publiko ng access sa mga dokumento at impormasyong hawak ng pamahalaan. Pero hinarang ito ni Nueva Ecija Representative Rodolfo Antonino. Reklamo niya, bakit daw hindi isinama ang kanya iminungkahing right of reply provision na magbibigay naman ng karapatan sa mga politikong sagutin ang anumang aligasyong magbubunga sa mga impormasyong nakuha sa pamamagitan ng panukala.
Knowing that it is a contentious issue, it is not for the TWG to decide on the matter, but the Mother Committee whether to include the right to reply or not.
And with all due respect to Congressman Antonino, probably the technical working group did not like his bill. But they were just one.
That is precisely what I am asking about.
And that is the
whether there was a technical working group hearing.
Hindi natuloy ang botohan sana kanina sa kasalukuyang bersyon na ginawa ng technical working group sa pamumuno ni Tañada. Sabi kasi ni Antonino, inabutan na raw kasi sila ng oras ng plenary session at sa ilalim ng rules ng Kamara, di ito pwedeng sabayan ng committee hearing. Bagay na kinatigan ni Committee Chairman Ben Evardone.
I move to adjourn. And I think there is no discretion here because, Mr. Chairman, we are beyond time already. And as the Chairman has stated, we have not, and you have not, that COMSEC has not obtained the permission of the Speaker or the Rules Committee to continue this hearing before 4 o'clock. Wag na! Wag na!
We are not authorized by the Committee on Rules
but the or is that we can
continue our hearing. The committee is adjourned to November 27 with priority of discussing the FOI.
Kanina pa sila nagpipilibustero dyan, kanina pa sila nagpapasikat dyan. Shame sa kanila.
What we witness now is a total travesty of the procedure of the committees.
Itinakda ni Evardone ang susunod na pagdinig sa Freedom of Information Bill sa November 27. Pero hanggang December 20 na lang ang sesyon ng Kamara. Si Tañada, nawawalan na raw ng pag-asang maipapasa pa ang FOI Bill. Hindi pa raw kasi nagsusumite ng position paper ang ibang sektor, kaya ngayon lang nasundan ang unang hearing nila noong November 2010.
The committee was waiting for some comments from other stakeholders on the issue.
The candle is really reaching its level where there would be no more light.
Sherry Torres, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.